Every summer, millions of people around the Philadelphia area head down the Jersey Shore.
This year, Fox 29 sent us. Let's do it from the top. Photojournalist Bill Rohr.
You know, I could help him.
And Shane McAkern.
To check it all out before the fun begins.
From Brigantine,
all the way to Cape May. Out from behind the camera. Hi. Meeting new friends. All right. Eating summer favorites.
Hold me. I love pizza.
And previewing the summer hotspots.
Join us for the next half hour for Bill and Shane's Summer Shore Spectacular.
All right. I know what you're thinking. Who would give these two goofballs a chance to do their own special?
Yeah, it was me, but you see how much influence I really have.
This guy, Bill Anderson, executive producer of Fox 29 Special Projects.
All right, you can do it, but Shane, you gotta wear a tie and act like real reporters.
All these stories and more.
Let's go! We both grew up down the Jersey Shore, and we know a thing or two.
Tremendous.
Bill's got a place in Brigantine.
the TV's on.
What? And I've been going down to the Jersey Shore since I was a kid. And basically, still am.